A very beautiful morning, one and all. As you know that since last two turn, I have been explaining you glimpses of India. In this series, there are three chapters, three lessons on different theme. First one is a baker from Goa. That is, in this lesson we talk about the bakers and traditional people, those who had adopted this profession, and how these bakers, they were the center point of attraction those days. This we see here. Okay, so I read the second paragraph till Padder in Goa. This till here we had studied on last turn, and today I just give you little more description about children and how do they used to react after seeing the Padder in Goa, and how they used to take the smell and how do they used to run after uh, the hawkers, those who used to come to their place to sell their loaves. So during our childhood, this is the narrator who is narrating this whole story for us. And he says, during our childhood in Goa, the baker used to be our friend, companion, and guide. He used to come at least twice a day. Twice a day means two times a day. So here this narrator, he is telling that during his childhood he had very nice time, and these bakers, they used to be his friends and like companion. They used to spend some time together, especially the time when these companions or these bakers, they used to come to their colony, their places, the place, their street, to sell their loaves, bread loaves. Okay, so he used to come at least twice a day. Who used to come? The baker, the padder in Goa, they used to come twice a day, morning and then in the evening. Once when he set out in the morning on his selling round, so he used to take two round. Okay, that bread seller, he used to take two round, first in the morning and then in the evening. So morning time, what used to happen, that is very interesting. Means all the children, they will not leave their beds until they listen the jingling sound of that peddler. Okay, so here he says that when he set out in the morning on his selling round, and then again when he returned after emptying his huge baskets. Means that means this sentence tells us that the people of Goa were very fond of eating those bread loaves. That's why this hawker, he used to come twice a day. Means morning when he'll come, he will be having a huge basket which will be filled fully with bread loaves, different flavors, different taste, and different smell, different fragrance. And children were so much curious and so much interested in peeping inside the baskets. So they will empty it. Means people will come, maids of the houses will come, they will buy the bread loaves and will return back. The jingling thud of his thud means the sound when we throw something, when a heavy material, heavy object is thrown on ground, that makes a very different sound. That sound is called thud. Of his bamboo woke us up. They will not wake up until they listen that sound. So it woke us up means, us means here narrator and his friends. Us word refers to narrator and his friends up from sleep, and we ran to meet and greet him. How do they used to greet him? How do they used to welcome this pedder? By seeing curiously, and they used to look at him with curious eyes. Okay, that now what you have brought for us. So this was the time when all the children, they look very restless when they will see the peddler came into their street, in the street. Why was he it so? Why was it so? Means why children were not waking up until they see or they listen the sound, jingling sound of that peddler, because they all had become habitual of having or buying bread loaves from them. So was it for the love of the loaf? Of course not, out of love of the loaf. Yes, they like it, they used to eat it, and that used to be their morning breakfast and part of their morning breakfast. But after the means we can say that not only this loaf, or not because of the bread they used to run after the peddler, but not at all. Okay, it was not only bread loaf, but in fact they used to run to see the bicycle, the person. The loaves were bought by some pasquine or bastin, the maid servant of the house. Means those maid servant, they used to come and buy these baskets from them. Okay, and they will be very happy. I mean, children will be very happy that we are buying them. What we long for were those bread bangles which we chose carefully, and mates, they will observe each and every bread loaf, which one is more softer or softer than the other one, that only they will buy. Sometimes it was sweet bread of special make. Okay, so till here we will keep it special make. Okay, on next turn I'll take another paragraph. So here till here we saw that children were very much interested seeing this paddle in Goa, and they used to run after him. They used to means they had become habitual of listening that jingling sound, because children they had some sort of fun in that. So I just want you to make to form few questions out of this paragraph. At least 5 to 7 questions easily you can make out of this. First question may come during our childhood in Goa. So who is this R? This R word represent whom? Okay. So this you can make. Okay. On next turn I'll explain the next paragraph, and as I told you we have plenty of time, and before time I'll finish this syllabus. So don't worry, just write down whatever I make you write or I ask you to write. Okay, prepare your copy notebook neatly so that when we will have class I may correct it. Okay, on next one I'll explain next paragraph. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.